Hi everyone, welcome back to Amazing Women's World. If you are watching for the first time, please hit the subscribe button to watch latest videos of fashions and trends. Also tap the bell button for future notifications so that you won't miss any of my upcoming videos. Appreciated for subscribing. Hi friends, in this video I'll show you one more latest neckline for the kurtis or kameez. So let's start with the drafting of the neckline. This markings is on front panel. Give the margin line. Also mark the shoulder length measurements of 7.5 inches with the shoulder length of 2.5 inches. Mark 1 inch shoulder slope. Connect that to the neckline. From there mark half of the armhole length, which is 6.5 inches, and on that point mark the chest length. That is, mark fourth part of the chest length, which is 9.5 inches, along with the seaming allowance of 1.5 inches. Mark the midpoint of the armhole length, which is 3/4 inches, and mark 3/4 inch in for the marking of the front panel armhole. From the midpoint, connect that to the chest point with the curved line like this. The drafting and the cutting should be done towards wrong side. Mark the neck tip of 3.5 or 4 inches as per your requirement. I would be marking here 3.5 inches. Mark with the curved shape like this. This would be the drafting of the boat neckline. Now I'll give the seaming allowance of 1/4 inch towards armhole, shoulder line and the neckline. Also connect the sides with the parallel lines to the waist and the hip length. My drafting is done. Now I'll be cutting on these marked lines. Now turn towards left side. This is how the neckline shape would look. Now we'll design with the drop shape towards the left side. The drop shape should be done away from the center with 1 inch gap. Again I'd be marking 3 inches, so the total neck would be of 6.5 inches now. You can customize the measurements as per your requirement. Now concentrate on the shape like how I am drawing. And for this neckline we won't draft any interfacing. But if you are working with the falling fabrics like crepe, laser, tussar, you have to give the interfacing. If readily shapes is available, you can place it and draft it. But this is the best way to draw the not only the drop shape, you can design any type of shapes. If you see here, the design is just away from the fold towards the left side. Normally we'll draft in the center, but this design is towards left. Trim off on the marked lines. I'm done with the drafting and the cutting. Now we have to conceal this neckline and this designer shape. So using this contrast color, we have to cut the bias strips for the concealing of the neckline. Place the fabric like this and we'll give the cross markings diagonally. This bias strips is of 2 inches. Now I'll cut on these lines. Place the ends of the bias, placing it right on right, diagonally like this, and sew on this towards wrong side. Now let's see how to conceal this neckline using this bias strip. Fold the bias strip, place the raw edges of the bias on the raw edges of the neckline towards right side. Start sewing, joining the neckline with this bias. Do not stretch the neckline when you are sewing, just run it friendly. Place the bias like this and just sew on it. Reaching towards this drop shape, continue sewing. Just flip to another side on that shape and sew it. Now I'll give the piping look to this neckline, so just turn this bias towards wrong side and adjacent to this piping you have to give the top stitch. Maintain the equalness of the piping because it will reflect on your neckline. Reaching near this drop shape, trim off the seaming elements a little and give the stitch like this. This is how it looks. Now we have to give again one more top stitch so that the seaming elements will be settled. Before that we have to give the slits near the curved turnings so that we can overlap like this. Start giving the top stitch with 1/4 inch seaming elements. You can see here I am just trimming a little and folding it like this. Should overlap. And this is how the neckline would look Now I'll join the button and the loop to close this shape. Place it like this and give the hand stitch. And the final look out of this neckline is here. You can also elevate this neckline by joining with the golden lace. If you like this video, please hit the like button to support for more videos of latest fashions and trends. Please do leave your valuable suggestions on this pattern. Thank you so much for watching. This is Radha signing off. See you all. Bye for now.